Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Proud Mary. It was written by John Fogerty for his band Creedence Clearwater Revival, or better known as CCR. This song peaked at number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100 in March 1969. It's a fun song to play, and the best part, it's really easy. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression. Okay, so this song only requires 3 very easy chords to play. There is a bridge that I incorporate into my version that uses some slightly different chords. We'll review that separately. But for now, let's just look at these 3 bulk chords. First one is an A major. There's going to be an E major. And then I also use a D chord. That's it. These 3 chords are going to get you through the entire song. So if you get these ones down, the song's going to be very easy for you to play. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming using these 3 chords. Okay, so let's look at some strumming and the chord progression to the bulk of these 3 chords. My version starts on the A major chord. Here we go. To the E major. To the D. Back to the A. Left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day, and I never lost a minute of sleeping. What about the way that things might have been? To the E, big wheels keep on turning. To the D, proud Mary keep on burning. Back to the A, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. That's it. Those 3 chords, that chord progression takes you through the bulk of this song. Let's take a couple of minutes now and have a quick look at that bridge that I incorporate as well. Okay, so for this bridge, every version I've ever heard of this particular song incorporates some type of a similar bridge to it. Keeping in mind, if you're a beginner, this particular part of the song is the most complicated because the chord progression is quick. There's a lot of quick changes in the chord progression. Also keeping in mind that if you're a beginner, the bridge is mostly just is an instrumental part of the song. And there are no lyrics attached to it. So you, in theory, could get away with not even adding this particular part into the song. It'll be up to you. You have a look. If you want to tackle this and add it into your version, then please do. The chords that you're going to need to know for this particular bridge are easy. They're a C chord. We're going to use that A major chord just like we've used before. And then I use 2 bar chords. The first one is a G bar chord, and then an F bar chord. And that's it. Those 4 chords. Now let's have a close look at the strumming and the chord progression. As I mentioned, it goes fairly quickly. I'm going to put up the chord charts here for you to follow along, but we're not really going to go into great detail on how to strum this. You can watch this part of the video over and over a couple of times before you get it down. Let's have a look now. Starts on the C chord. I'll try to slow it down for us here. Here we go. that's it. Depending on the speed and the tempo that you're going to play this song is of course, how complicated it can be. There it is. With all of that said, now you know the routine. We're going to mic it up. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
A good job in the city, work for the man every night and day, and I never lost a minute of sleep, worried about the way things might be. Big wheels keep on turning, proud Mary keep on burning, rolling, rolling. Side of the city till I hitched a ride on the riverboat dream. Big wheels keep on turning, proud Mary keep on burning, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling, rolling. If you come down to the river, bet you're gonna find some people who live. You don't have to worry, cause you have no money. People on the river are happy to give. Big wheels keep on turning, proud Mary keep on burning, rolling.
And there you have it, Proud Mary, written by John Fogerty for his band CCR. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Oz. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I truly, truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.